Imagine this scenario. You have just wrapped up a major project and everyone is moving on to the next big thing. Then 6 months later, someone asks for a specific document, a key decision log, or even a particular version of a final report. Panic sets in. Where is it? Was it saved? Did anyone organize it properly? This common dilemma highlights a crucial, yet often overlooked, part of project closure. To effectively organize project files for archiving, the most crucial step is establishing a consistent, logical structure and adhering to clear naming conventions from the very beginning of the project lifecycle. This proactive approach prevents future headaches and ensures your valuable project history is easily accessible. This systematic approach ensures that not only can you easily retrieve documents years down the line, but it also supports regulatory compliance requirements, aids in accurate post-project reviews, and preserves valuable institutional knowledge for your entire organization. Think of it as leaving a clear trail for anyone who follows. Let us dive into the practical steps to make this happen. First, define a standardized folder structure that makes sense for your projects. A common and effective structure includes top-level folders like project management, deliverables, communications, financials, and resources. Within the project management folder, you might have subfolders for plans, schedules, risk logs, and change requests. The deliverables folder would hold all finalized outputs, organized perhaps by phase or by type, such as final reports, presentations, or technical specifications. Next, implement consistent naming conventions for all files. This is vital for searchability and clarity. A robust practice is to include the project code, document type, version number, and date in the file name. For example, project X_scope document V1.0 2023 0515.pdf. This makes files instantly recognizable and easily sortable, even when viewed outside their original folder context. Consider creating a simple naming guide for your team to follow. Third, centralize all project files in a single, accessible repository. This could be a cloud-based document management system, a dedicated project portal, or a secure shared network drive. The key is to avoid scattered files across individual hard drives or email inboxes. Ensure proper access controls are in place for security. Before the final archiving push, conduct a thorough pruning and consolidation phase. This means carefully reviewing all files. Remove duplicate copies, outdated interim drafts that are no longer needed, and any non-essential personal notes or temporary working documents. This declutters your archive, reduces storage overhead, and makes it easier to find the truly important information. Fourth, and this is a game changer for future retrieval, create a simple project archiving index or a README first document. This critical document should explain the overall folder structure, detail the key naming conventions used, provide a list of critical documents and their exact locations, and include any specific access instructions or passwords. Think of it as a comprehensive map and legend to your archive treasure. A little-known insider tip for enhancing searchability is to leverage metadata tags within your document management system. These are invisible labels that can describe various aspects of a file, such as its project phase, the original owner, key stakeholders, or its approval status. Properly applied metadata can significantly enhance search functionality long after the project team has disbanded. This capability saves countless hours when trying to locate specific information during future audits or when kicking off similar projects. Furthermore, a well-organized and thoroughly documented archive accelerates new team member onboarding by providing a clear and comprehensive historical record. By investing time upfront in structuring, naming, and thoroughly documenting your project files for archiving, you are not just tidying up. You are building a powerful, searchable knowledge base that drastically reduces future risks, streamlines subsequent operations, and enables continuous improvement across all your future endeavors. This systematic approach transforms project closure from a potential chore into a strategic asset for sustained organizational success.